Hey, what's going on, guys? Want to come to you guys really quickly just to show you guys the power of divergence. I know that in the last Zoom training, I mentioned divergence, but I don't believe that I was able to actually go in depth with it because it was getting kind of late, and we only have 40 minutes on the Zoom training, so I wanted just to show you guys the power of it. Now, I know the template looks a little different right now because I'm just working on some things, trying to make trading easier for our community, all right, especially for beginners. So if you are an experienced trader, of course, you may not have all these indicators on your charts, but nonetheless, again, we want to make trading easy for the novice as well as the experienced trader. But anyway, so in the new update, you guys have access to this this TDI that I found online. And this particular TDI will automatically draw regular divergence, all right, which is regular divergence is basically a reversal signal, okay, and then also hidden divergence, all right, which is basically a continuation signal, okay, or convergence, okay, and so they're simply drawn by the solid line or this pink line, this pink solid line, but nonetheless, the solid line, right? The solid line, when it draws a solid line, this is a representation of regular divergence, which gives us our reversal patterns, meaning that the trend has been going up in this case for quite some time, and for almost a full week and a quarter. So the trend's been going up for some time, and now the market is at a point of exhaustion, and a reversal is getting ready to take place. Now, how long the reversal will be, we don't know, but a reversal is imminent, if you will. And so, again, you can see here, I'm going to make this easier for you. Now, if I was looking at it without an indicator, I would actually be looking at this high here and this high here, okay? All right, and so I'm going to draw two horizontal lines on these highs. All right, here, let me do this first. First, this is how I would have done it without the indicator. All right, so first I'm going to draw that there. Now, two horizontal lines on the highs that I drawn, and now I'm going to come down to the indicator, to the TDI indicator, and draw from this high to the next high. All right, and so you see how easily we were able to draw divergence ourselves, okay? And it pretty much matches up with what the TDI indicator did for us automatically. All right, so again, I want to make this easy for beginners as well as experienced traders. And so you see, basically you see where if we did it manually, how it lines up. And so basically what we were doing was we connected this high to this high, and we did that by drawing upwards. And then in the TDI indicator, we connected this high to this high, and we did that by going downwards. All right, divergence just means a difference, right? And so there is a difference in the direction of the TDI, and then also the direction of actual price. And so this lets us know that, okay, price has come to a point of exhaustion, and now it needs to release. All right, so basically price has been, or the market makers have been accumulating, all right, tricking everyone that the market is going to go up, all right, and without not necessarily this indicator, but I mean you can, just like I posted, you can use a RSI oscillator, you can use a stochastic, you can use MACD, you can use any indicator except for momentum. All right, except for I wouldn't use momentum. You can use momentum, but I wouldn't use momentum. But you can pretty much use any oscillator, any oscillator to draw or to look for divergence. All right, and so again, we trade on the 4 hours, so it takes some time for this to develop. Okay, and now what I did was I got in a little bit early here, and it's just a little small practice account. Okay, but I got in a little bit too early. But what basically you want to do one of two things. All right, you want to wait for your reversal patterns. Okay, you want to wait for your reversal patterns, and you guys can check the unit where I posted some reversal patterns, and I think I'll update that to add a more exhaustive list of reversal patterns. But you can look for reversal patterns, or you can simply you know, try to draw like a fresh trend line. Right, that would be like the greatest trend line. Then I would draw another one from this point to this point. Okay, and so you'll wait for price to break the trend line, and then get in, and then just ride it as far as you can. And so basically at this point, if you're using the TDI or if you're using any other oscillator to pinpoint your divergence, you would basically wait for that oscillator to basically go down until you get to a oversold indication, or you can wait for another divergence to come up to show or to be developed. And so divergence is powerful. Divergence has been around for a long time. That is a good technical way of trading. Okay, and so again, for the beginner as well as the expert or the experienced, this is just a really good go-to. It does require patience. Everything requires patience, but it does require patience for you to wait for it to develop. I wasn't patient enough. All right. I actually think that I saw this on the 1 hour first. All right, and so I saw it back here. So again, I take my point, take it there, take my point, and now we're going down here, divergence. We wait for a sell signal. All right, we have this candle right here. All right, this candle right here is a hammer. Okay, this is a type of doji candle. This candle is a hammer. You see this long wick here. Okay, basically it's rejecting this area. Now we have this area drawn out. Our indicator automatically does this, but again, it's rejecting that. So I would have saw that as an alert. This would have been my signal confirmation, and just to be on the safe side, potential 14 pips. If you trade at a standard, that's $140. But this has not made its full move yet. You can obviously see where price is just rejecting this area right here. Bam. So rejection, 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 rejection. Coming back up, making another pass, rejection. Making another pass, rejection. Got small bullish candles. We come down here, look at the volume. Alright. Really no volume down here in comparison to these candles. Now the only one where we do see major volume would be this candle right here. And look at the type of candle that it is. A hammer, rejecting that. So yeah, this is going down all day. How far, we don't know. But again, you could, even if we took like the, let's say, this may not work out too good, yeah, because look at that, let's say, we don't see any of this, but we find our divergence like right here. So we would have drawn our trend line, bam, bam, draw a trend line like that, waited for it to break, come in. You basically come in right here, like I said, using proper account risk management. Yeah, it's gonna come up, test this area of the trend line, come down. We see now it's testing horizontal support. So, sometimes the market will shoot straight down and we get like a really good profit. Other times it's going to kind of consolidate a little bit and play around in this area before it shoots down. But we see that even on the 1 hour chart, it's making our pattern. Right. So this could be the second. I doubt this is the second leg. It's probably going to again create like another high over here somewhere before it drops down to complete our M pattern. So it's all the same, guys. Accumulation and distribution rules the market. We've previously defined that as supply and demand, but according to the Wyckoff trading model, it's really just accumulation and distribution. All right, accumulation and distribution. The market makers, the big banks, they're accumulating, then they're gonna distribute. Bam. That's all they do every day, all day, every day. We just have to develop our patience. I say we because I'm still having to develop my own patience, but same thing, all day, every day, any time frame. Accumulation, distribution. Look at this. Accumulate, distribute. That's all we see. That's all we see. Look. Accumulate, distribute. Now that's a little backwards, but bam, it came. Watch this. I bet it came from a supply area, found a demand area, released. Same thing if we go back in time. This might just be just a quick little pullback. Litecoin. This is Litecoin. This is one reason why I like Hugo's way, because you have access to the cryptocurrencies, and the cryptocurrencies are the currencies you can trade on the weekend. So Forex, the currency pairs and the stocks and the indices and the futures and the metals, those are all closed on the weekends, but crypto is open 24/7, 365, 52 weeks, 7 days a week, 24/7. You can trade crypto. So, all right, guys, I just want to touch bases with you guys just so you can see divergence live and in effect. We have it on the daily. We have hidden divergence here on the daily, so it's going to continue up, but we have a reversal signal right here. So, it's probably just going to make a quick little pullback, but we do have a reversal signal on the daily. We have one on the weekly. We got our last signal was going up, so this is just a quick little pullback. If anything, I would trade based on the weekly trend. So, if you want to make some quick money, we can trade on the 4 hour and wait for and wait for divergence to show up again and tell us to get out. So, alright guys, yeah, that is going to be it. The power of divergence. See a bit on the 1 hour here. Power of divergence. So it's gonna go down. Maybe not for long, but yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me. I hope this has helped you guys in some type of way. Please make sure you comment and let me know if not. But again, you can always pause and rewind the video. So, all right, guys. Until next time, as always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And happy pip fishing. Bye bye.